spot. So good step down for all the teams there. Juniors, very high level of gear, and Bedfordshire in the saddle first. So Bedfordshire rider coming down, and good lead there from Western Morgan, Mingler Morgan, and Scotland South. So 7 riders coming up the pitch for Bedfordshire and Western Morgan. So Bedfordshire in the saddle as well as Mingler Morgan. Bedfordshire coming down very nicely, and their third rider goes off.
Go on, Clara.
Behind for Captain Farm or Western Morgan and Scotland South and then Mingler Morgan. So we have, well, I think I may have been calling Western Morgan or something, I don't know exactly now, there's blue and yellows everywhere. But anyway, we have a hat back for Bedfordshire. Their last rider was on the pitch. Selecting the hammer. So, and it's a very nice one there. The line, and actually, I mean, you have to check the video there. It may well have been sealed from the Bedfordshire, but we're going to check that. And here we come now. We have got a nice safe pickup there for the South. And it looks like a lovely swift pickup there for the Mingler Morgan yellow. Western Morgan coming over the line, and it will be Northumberland that now competes just ahead for the stripes if this goes well for them. But we've had a